Ciao a tutti, welcome to this vlog today. Oh my gosh, we are in Alba. This is our stomping ground when it comes to bike riding. Out on the bike today, lots of other people out on their bike, and the weather is just so nice. So this is our second stop for a coffee. Before we stopped at another bar and we had a cappuccino, we had our breakfast. Now it's around 11-12 o'clock and we've stopped again, and I've just ordered a ginseng grande and also a bottle of water. So yeah, and then after we're going to go to like a rose place, and then we're going to go for lunch. This church is really nice. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's quite gorgeous. And of course, here's the bike. And we're sitting over there at this bar, and there's the bar. Bello. Look down there, bello, bello, bello. Did you remember that I came here in another vlog and we came in spring, but now it's summer, so this is like a rose garden. So now everything has bloomed, so we're taking another look at it now. So pretty here. Look at all the roses. We got these little nooks here. Look at the look I'm giving you guys. It's nice. Such a cute place. I highly recommend anybody to come here. See? Forse. So the name of this area is called Bosso Lasco. That's the spelling for it here. Bosso Lasco. Cheese. Ora te lo do. Occhio solo che la cocotte è bollente perché è in forno.
Sì, grazie.
Potato, fried potato. Okay. Okie dokie. And look at this. We're stuck, but at least inside is cute. At least inside is cute anyway. We ran inside because the rain was so heavy outside, we had to come in. So I've just ordered a nice hot drink. Ordered it from the bar here. And we're sitting here. Update, we've stopped now at Gelateria. We waited for the rain to hold up, that horrible storm that was there before. We waited for about 40 minutes in that bar before, and then we've travelled again for another 30 minutes, and now we're at a gelateria. This is a very busy gelateria, so many people, and it's so busy, but everybody's still out. I'm surprised to see so many people still around, considering we just had a storm. But yeah, so I just ordered a gelato. Gabri's in the queue, so I'm going to end the vlog here, and I shall see you all next time in another vlog. I'm tired. I'm looking forward to going home. I feel like actually having a bath. Anyway, bye, ciao. Bye. And look now, the sun has come back up. Can you believe it? Charming.